Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here today with a haul, and it's from Creative Memories. And I'm laughing because I have on my robe, and I have been joked about my robe by my buddies, but you know what? It's cool in my craft room that I need to stay warm. So anyway, I just have some items. My order came in, and I will show you what I got. I wanted to get some like glittered cardstock, and so I got a couple different colors. So this first one, and they come in a 10-pack. And this one is called Black Shimmer. So let me see that shimmer or not? Oh, I think you can, hopefully. So I got it in the black. And then we have the white shimmer. So I'm still working on some albums. And hopefully you can see that white shimmer. Of course it doesn't come off. You don't have to worry about that. And of course I had to get me some red. I mean, you know me. I had to get me some red. And this is actually called Firecracker. You can see that little sheen in there, hopefully. It's nighttime, so sometimes my stuff doesn't, my lighting, maybe. And then I went on and got the platinum. I like that nice and platinum. Looks very silvery. And then I did get two solid ones. This is eggplant. These are some nice fall colors. I just like the fall colors. They go with some of the papers that I have. So this is eggplant, purple shade, of course. And then this one is orange. And you can see that is orange. So these are 10-pack. These are solid. These I think it's 80, 100 or whatever it is. I think it's 80. And then this is a free pad paper. They had a promotion running, and if you spent enough, you can get a free. You had a choice between 4 different paper packs. They had one. All of them have the same color scheme and the same gold foil schemes, but you can get it in with the hearts or with the diamonds or the laser cuts. And I got it in the neutral geometric, so that way it can go with anything. But the other ones were really gorgeous. They even have the albums that you could purchase as well, but the paper pad was a freebie. And so that's the one side, and then it's gold foil on that one. And it's 2 of each, so it's a 12-pack. And that, let's see the gold foiling on that. So I think it's 8 out of the 12 are gold foilers. So some masculine winter colors here, and that's just gold on the back side of this. That one's not foiled. So these are just some different colors that I don't have papers of. So it's nice to always add something different to your collection. And again, it's gold, like Swiss dots on the back. Very masculine feel, very winter feel, fall kind of a feel. Then you got this blue diagonal stripe. I don't know if you can see the diagonal in there. And then this is gold diagonal on the back. And then you got more like looks like snow falling, or maybe like the universe, like the stars and stuff. And then you got it like confetti falling down in the gold foil. So 8 of those are gold foiled, and then the other ones are not. Some of them just gold. So on the back sides, they all have gold color on it, whether it's foiled or not. So 4 of them have gold, and 8 of them have foiled. So that was paper pads. And then I purchased this laser border die cuts to go with one of the paper pads that I had, and I didn't order the borders to go with it. And I love this paper pad collection because of the colors. They're just very vibrant. And I took a trip to Cali, And my daughter, my mom, and I, and my grandson, we climbed, and we hiked. I think it was Runyon Canyon, and so the paper that goes along with it has more like a geological thing. So I'm going to use this with some of those hiking up the side of the hill. Gosh, LA is so hilly. But this goes with the paper pad. You can see the colors, those purples and those blues, and those natural, like, geological things, as well as a peacock in here, because it's peacock colors, and I think that's probably why I like this, because I like those peacock colors. But most of these are like gemstones and shapes like that. So that's going to go with us hiking up the side of in the desert. So yeah, we did a couple of different hikes and stuff, so that goes with that paper collection. And I just wanted to make sure I got that one because I hadn't gotten it. I realized that. And then the last two things that I got, one of which sold out, and this is a circle cutter. We have circle cutters, but this one, you can use it to draw as well as to cut. And sew it out and just brought it back. But you can put a pencil in it, a marker in it right here on this end, and you can draw with it as well as use this end to cut. And it does come with a blade right here, and this blade right here is a straight edge blade. And you can't see it, but it comes out right there. And so this is how you take it out. I don't know, but we think they might come out with some other ones that are going to be, that maybe have a different shape. That would be so cool if it does, because you haven't seen those anywhere. But anyway, so it has the inches on this side, so you can put it down and you engage this, and boom, you can make circles. So I got that. And then the last thing I got, and if you ever want me to demonstrate any of these, just let me know. And thanks to all the people that ordered from my website. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I've had a few orders from there, so, you know, I am grateful for that. And this is a cup caddy, and they've just sold out too and came back. But this is something I know years ago when I used to do creative members, I never got a chance to get one. I always missed it every time. But this you put on the side of your desk. This is great for when you go to a crop, but it's also great for your craft room. It's actually a large size, but you can see it's a clamp, and you just clamp it onto the side of your table. And if you're like me, I snack in my craft room, okay? Especially when I'm on Zoom with my girls. And you can put your cell phone in here, whatever you want. You can put a cup in here, you know, drink, anything in here. And this is on the side of your table, so it doesn't have to be on your table to spill. You don't have to sit on the floor. You can sit it in here. You could also use this if you wanted to, put a little trash bag in here and put trash in here, but I'm not going to use it for that. This is a cup caddy, so I am going to use it for drinks. And so you can use it for a pretty thick size table. So, and of course this right here, you can adjust it to make it smaller. So yeah. And so this is, I see a lot of people bring these to crops. And so I'm so glad they finally brought it back, because I was like, yes, I want to use that. So multiple uses for that. So that is great addition for your craft room. So that is my haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.